Dogecoin captures the attention of Oscar Mayer brand. After a great number of well-known product brands like Burger King, Axe, Snickers, MilkyWay, and Slim Jim have been riding the Dogecoin hype, the American meat and cold cut manufacturer Oscar Mayer has also jumped on the Dogecoin bandwagon. Yes, you heard it right. Similar to Axe, Oscar Mayer has also created a Dogecoin-centric product and is auctioning a 10-pack of wieners that features the famous Shiba Inu. Hi, welcome to Crypto Doge News, where we publish the most up-to-date cryptocurrency news every single day. But before you go any further, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Now, let's get right into it. Owned by the American food company Kraft Heinz, Oscar Mayer is a well-known hot dog and cold cut production company. In fact, the Mayer brothers started crafting bratwurst, liverwurst, and Weiserwurst products back in 1883, but the time has changed, and so has trend. The hot dog company has also joined several well-known brands getting in on the Dogecoin hype. Oscar Mayer's crafted a Dogecoin-centric product, and the firm is auctioning a 10-pack of hot dogs that feature the Shiba Inu image. According to Oscar Mayer, the package comes with the cash equivalent for 20,000 Doge. This converts approximately to USD $2,000 if the Doge price can make its way back up to 20 cents. But keep in mind the supply is limited as the company only made one pack. The company's tweet read, "We're back and this time with money, even more money, much wow." This limited edition pack of hot Doge wieners now comes with the cash value of 20,000 Dogecoins. Only one pack exists though. The tweet also leads to an eBay auction URL, which shows there's 1 day left to bid on the 10-pack of Oscar Mayer wieners. The eBay description for the wiener says, "Very meat, so wiener. Much taste. Keep it Oscar on your trip to the moon and help a good cause at the same time with this one-of-a-kind 10-pack of weenies." The winner of this auction won't just receive the only pack of Oscar Mayer hot Doge wieners in the world, but also enough cash to purchase 20,000 Dogecoins. All proceeds will be donated to Feeding America. Good luck, and hashtag do only good every day. And while the response to this was so immense that while the Dogecoin community might not have broken the internet, they did break the eBay link. As of August 7th, the one-of-a-kind hot dog pack has attracted around 72 bidders, with the highest bidding price even reaching $3,050. Crazy, right? However, Oscar Mayer is not the first consumer company to indulge the Dogecoin mania. Last April, American snack brand Slim Jim also launched a collectible item themed from cryptocurrencies while tweeting about Dogecoin. Among the food brands that have already sent feelers acknowledging Dogecoin through their Twitter posts are Snickers, MilkyWay, and KFC. However, they did not entirely commit to accepting Dogecoin as payment as of yet, as they're still in the process of selecting which products they would introduce will accept cryptocurrencies. But that isn't what matters right now. What matters is that with such strong backing, Dogecoin may soar to new heights once again. That being said, what can we expect from Doge's price in the coming days? From a coin that's made headlines for its volatility this year, Dogecoin has been remarkably quiet in recent times. But despite the impressive gains in rival altcoins, Dogecoin still remains the 8th largest cryptocurrency, even ahead of Polkadot. But the price has a habit of jumping to life just when you least expect it. And at some stage, Dogecoin will break out of its narrow trading range. The question is, in which direction? Now, if you look at the charts, Dogecoin price has set up 3 lower highs since June 25th, indicating a waning bullish momentum. If you draw a trend line along these swing points, you could see a declining resistance level that Dogecoin is currently tagging. Interestingly, this resistance level at 0.213 cents coincides with the supply barrier mentioned above. Therefore, a decisive 9-hour candlestick close above this confluence will signal the presence of bulls and open up the path for further upside. But investors should know that the Dogecoin price is likely to rally 20% to tag the supply zone ranging from 0.255 cents to 0.290 cents. In some cases, this upswing might retest the 0.273 cents resistance level, which would constitute a 30% rally from 0.213 cents. But if Dogecoin bulls fail to push through the declining trend line and the horizontal resistance level at 0.213 cents, a retracement will likely ensue. The support barriers at 0.187 cents and 0.182 cents are the most likely candidates that might end the correction. However, if the selling pressure persists, the Dogecoin price will tag 0.168 cents. While a reversal from this area is likely, market participants should note that a breakdown of the said demand barrier will invalidate the upswing and potentially trigger a downswing to 0.15 cents. That seems unlikely, but who knows? After all, Dogecoin is that crypto joke that never ceases to amuse. And is it not just me or you who agrees? Even the Dogecoin creator does. Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer have created the coin back in 2013. Originally, the coin was meant as a joke aimed at Bitcoin and the then young crypto market, so they both sold their holdings in the coin early on, and have since then stepped back from the development side of the coin. Marcus even famously said that he had sold his Dogecoin holdings to buy an old Honda. Marcus says, "I'm no longer part of the Dogecoin project. I left around 2015 as the community started to shift from one that I was comfortable with strongly. I don't currently own any Dogecoin except what has been tipped to me recently. I gave away and or sold all the crypto I had back in 2015 after being laid off and scared about my dwindling savings at the time, for about enough in total to buy a used Honda Civic." Clearly, Marcus didn't expect the currency to go anywhere, and yes, it didn't for a while. Dogecoin now has a market valuation that exceeds that of Honda. The founder has made it no secret of his regrets over dumping his crypto assets in 2015. However, unlike Marcus, Palmer, a former partner and co-founder of Dogecoin, is quite skeptical about cryptocurrencies. In fact, Palmer recently tweeted saying cryptocurrencies is a scam. His tweet read, "After years of studying it, I believe that cryptocurrency is an inherently right-wing, hyper-capitalist technology built primarily to amplify the wealth of its proponents through a combination of tax avoidance, diminished regulatory oversight, and artificially enforced scarcity." Palmer went on to say that crypto is controlled by a powerful cartel of wealthy figures who, with time, have evolved to incorporate many of the same institutions tied to the existing centralized financial system they supposedly set out to replace. Well, indeed, it doesn't take a genius to guess that Musk's tweets moved cryptocurrency prices. It was all thanks to Musk's brand power that boosted much of the value of Dogecoin in 2021. Because of that, the once unheard of altcoin, which was invested only to mock cryptocurrencies, rose from 46 cents in December 2020 to a record high of 72 cents on May 8, 2021. There's an old saying, when America sneezes, the world catches a cold. Well, Musk's action on Twitter is somewhat similar. Good or bad, either way, the action is profound. In the past, the markets have learned from the investing guru like Warren Buffett, Benjamin Graham, and George Soros. Let's get used to the new age way of investing, but following the influencers on Twitter. So, what do you think about the 10-pack of Oscar Mayer Hot Doge Wiener auction on eBay? Share your answers in the comment section below. Also, if you found our video informative, do like it and share it with your friends. Till next time, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for all new updates coming up.